Have you ever stopped to consider what truly fuels your success? It's not just about talent, luck, or even hard work. It's about the belief in oneself, the inner conviction that you can achieve. The answer is simpler than you might think. It's self-confidence. Picture this: a young boy, small for his age, with dreams bigger than his physical stature. He's not the fastest, strongest, or tallest in his class, but boy, does he dream. He dreams of the day he'll stand on the podium, a gold medal around his neck, the anthem of his homeland filling the stadium. Every day, this boy faces ridicule, laughter, and incredulous glances. They tell him he's too small, too weak. They say he's dreaming too big. But this young boy, he's got a secret weapon. It's not his physique or some hidden talent. It's his unwavering, unyielding self-confidence. He believes in himself even when no one else does. He pushes himself, trains harder, reaching for that dream with an unrelenting determination. He stumbles, he falls, but he never stays down. He picks himself up, dusts himself off, and presses on, his self-confidence his guiding light. And then comes the day when the laughter stops and the cheering begins. The day when he stands on that podium, a gold medal around his neck, the anthem of his homeland filling the stadium. Against all odds, he stood tall, not because he was physically strong, but because his self-confidence was unshakable. So, what can we learn from this story? It's simple, really. The essence of our tale underlines the transformative power of self-confidence. It's a potent force that emboldens us to face adversity, a guiding light that illuminates the path to our goals. It's the silent cheerleader that celebrates our triumphs and the comforting whisper that reassures us in times of failure. It's the catalyst to success. Remember, it's not just about believing in your dreams. It's about believing in yourself. That's the power of self-confidence.